If you are getting a checksum error in WinRAR on your PC, yeah, that usually means the archive file is corrupted or incomplete. Let's fix it step by step. First, understand this error. A checksum error usually appears when the file was not downloaded properly or got damaged during transfer. Next, re-download the file from the original source. Incomplete downloads are the most common reason for checksum errors. Now, make sure your internet connection is stable while downloading. Yeah, interruptions can corrupt archive files. Next, always download from a trusted source. Modified or third-party files are often broken or unsafe. Now, right-click and run WinRAR as administrator. Permission issues can sometimes affect extraction verification. Next, use the built-in repair tool inside WinRAR. Yeah, this can sometimes fix partially damaged archives. Now, try downloading the file again using a different browser. Browser glitches can also corrupt large downloads. Next, check your storage drive. Bad sectors or low disk space can sometimes cause extraction verification errors. Now, temporarily disable antivirus or security software. Yeah, sometimes they modify or block archive files during download or extraction. Next, try using another tool like 7-zip. This helps confirm if the issue is specific to WinRAR. Now, recheck the file integrity after re-downloading. If the error still appears, the file itself is likely broken. Next, restart your computer. Yeah, this clears temporary system issues that might interfere with file verification. If nothing works, contact the file provider or support. The archive may be permanently corrupted. And that's it. One of these fixes should solve WinRAR checksum errors and let you extract your files properly.